Hi, second grade. In this part of the lesson, we're going to focus on making a 2D or two-dimensional drawing of a bug. That means it will be flat on a piece of paper. The two dimensions are up and down and side to side. We're also going to be using symmetry to make sure both sides of our bugs are the same. If you go to the answer template for this section of the lesson, you're going to find some images of bugs. You could also certainly look up your own on the internet if you have access. So I have my white piece of paper here, and I'm going to fold it in half. And when I do that, I am creating a line of symmetry. Right there. Oop, my writing is a little bit goofy. So I'm only going to actually draw one half of the bug. I'm going to do a dragonfly right now, and then I'll show you how we're going to get it on the other side of that line of symmetry matching. So I'm going to go ahead and make the head of the dragonfly, the next part of its body, the bottom. Notice it's one half meeting up on that line of symmetry. I'm going to go ahead and give it an antenna, and I know dragonflies are going to need longer wings that are a little bit skinnier and stretched out. If it is an insect, it's going to have 6 legs, and because this is kind of a magnified view, it's not just a line. You can see it's kind of a stretched out oval or triangle shape. Now here's where I would get maybe a little bit fancy. I've seen dragonflies with kind of spots on their body or stripes. Can add the eye up here and some lines to divide the wings. Now when I'm thinking about my background, I need to remember it's going to be repeated on the other side. I'm going to have this dragonfly landing on a lily pad. But I only need half the lily pad right here, because the other half will be repeated on the other side. I'm going to go ahead and trace my drawing with black marker, but I'll speed that up. I've taped my drawing to a window so that the light shines through, and now I'm going to fold this and close it right on that line of symmetry. We got a little piece of tape here to help me hold it. And once again, I'm going to be tracing with black marker on this side where this is, I can see this through here. Alright, so I have this that I took off the window, and now because I traced with the black marker, I can see through. And I know it seems a little silly to be tracing 3 times, but in the end, that's how you're going to get these two sides to match exactly. Perfect symmetry. And that makes this picture look pretty cool in the end. So I'm going to go ahead into time lapse here to speed up me tracing this side. So I have used my line of symmetry and a little bit of light from a window to make a perfectly symmetrical bug. The last part is to color this image with materials of your choosing. You could paint, you could use crayon, you could use marker, colored pencil. I'm going to go into time lapse to finish mine. In the second part of this lesson, instead of a 2-dimensional bug, you'll be making a 3-dimensional bug. And I hope you follow me to that part of the lesson, and I will talk to you later.